A cookhouse is a small building where cooking takes place. Often found at remote work camps, they complemented the bunkhouse and were usually found on ranches that employed cowboys or loggers in a logging camp. Prior to the 20th century, cookhouses were a feature of some private residences where the kitchen was a separate building, so the heat and smoke from cooking was kept away from the main residential building. In North America, cookhouses were a standard feature of remote work sites as the working men needed large amounts of food for the strenuous work they performed. In logging camps, cooks were important to the morale of the workers. In some cases, workers would follow a cook to the camp where they were working each season. The cookhouse was one of the key buildings at any work site, along with the bunkhouse and tool shed. The use of a cookhouse was not limited to resource extraction industries. Traveling circuses also use a style of cookhouse to feed their workers and performers. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.